that's huge. Holy crap. Oh my gosh, what are we doing? We got another flag. We're barely eating our lunch. Oh, that's a big ass pike. Oh my gosh, a tip up. Is this recording? This is recording. I got a tip up. Oh my God. I hope it's not the wind. It's coming up. It's a good fight. Oh my gosh, look at that. It's a bass. No way. Got that bass. Welcome to another episode of JKV Outdoors. We are out here today on Lake Minnetonka. We're out in the spot where me and Isaac was fishing in open water, where we caught a lot of bass. And well, here you go. First fish of the day. Already got a bass. I got that on a big old jumbo fathead. That's what did the trick today. You know, all we're really doing is we're just gonna be jigging, and I have a tip up out here. We're gonna see if we could catch some pike, hopefully some more bass. I did see a bass on the underwater camera earlier, and it was pretty big. It looked like a 3-4 pounder, and we'll go ahead and see if we could catch that today. Oh, there's a few fish down here.
Here.
Hmm?
Go. Oh.
No, you gotta hold. That one's for you. I'm fishing this one.
I like how you're making me fish against my will.
It's not against your will.
Okay, after this one, I'm not gonna fish.
Why? Okay guys, there's the bass down there. Just left. Why? Why, little bass? Like, I know this area has bass. Ooh. Something going for the minnow? What the? Looks like something's going for the minnow. Oh my gosh, look at that perch. Oh, I got it. Oh, I caught it by hand.
You got it by hand?
Yeah. Look at that
So
perch.
cute.
Oh wow. I set it with my hand. The hook set was pretty cool. Oh, finally caught one of these little perch. I mean, they're kind of big, but they're still really small. There's a lot of these down there.
Let's hope they soon.
That would be really good.
What?
Peaches.
Oh yes. So think of my selection of fruits here. Are you more Are you more of this type of person when it comes to fruits, or
Oh
are
my
you
gosh,
like a berry?
what is that? There's something in the bottom. Oh, there's a big ass pike. God damn, that's huge. Holy crap. Wow.
Is yours lucky?
Yeah, it just left. Didn't want it. Wow.
Here we are.
Oh my gosh. So now we're just cooking, have everything put away. All we have is 2 tip-ups out, and now we're just gonna enjoy our lunch. Oh my gosh, can you run over here please? As I was talking, this thing went up. This is a good fish. Oh, there we go. It's another bass. Wow, look at that. Oh man. Swallow that thing again too. There we go. Another nice little bass. Let's put him back. Man, I'm telling you, this is the spot for bass right here. I literally just set that one down and we were going back to the truck so that we could start cooking and eating again. And then this one just went up. It was less than 5 minutes. That was awesome. What we got here?
Some noodles.
What kind of noodles is it?
Kapong.
Ooh, look at that. Look at that.
Smells so good.
Oh my gosh, I'm not even recording.
Are you kidding?
Yeah. So like what I was saying before, we have 2 tip-ups out right now. Now the broth is warm, we're just gonna go ahead and eat our lunch right now. And once we're done, we're just gonna pack up the 2 tip-ups and call it good for the day. And as you can see, we already got most of everything packed up right now. Got the flip over put away ready. And yeah, it's been a pretty chill day. It's another beautiful day. So, you know, might as well be out, enjoy it when we can. Only about 2 weeks left for, you know, big game fish. This spot does not disappoint. This is my first time on this spot for ice. And I think it's going really well, even though I only caught 2 bass so far. We saw a lot of bass on the underwater camera, saw a couple good pikes, a bunch of little perch, but this spot is pretty awesome. So we will go ahead and enjoy our lunch right now. Oh my gosh, what are we doing? What are we doing? We got another flag. We're barely eating our lunch. It's going, it's going, it's going. It's another good fish. All right, watch. Oh, there we go. Wow, I just took it. It's another bass. Look at that. choked it again.
It's
Wow.
smaller than the other one.
This is the smallest bass today. There we go.
Oh, cute.
This is a great bass spot right here.
I know.
We're finally in the car now, enjoying our lunch. I caught 2 bass before we were able to eat our lunch. My tip up is just right there. That spot has been producing. And she's tired of being my camera woman every time I catch one.
I'm so tired of it.
Because we're trying to eat lunch right now. But this is so good.
Keeps interrupting me.
Thank you for bringing this out.
You're welcome.
This is delicious. So, how was today?
Pretty good. Pretty alright. Not as eventful, but it's pretty good.
So we just finished our lunch, calling it good for today. It's not a bad day, you know. At least we saw fish and caught some fish. Caught 3 bass, which is pretty good because I usually don't catch bass. And this year I really hit my goal of getting bass through the ice. And I was pretty surprised that I got bass over at this spot here. I was expecting pike more than bass in this area, just because, you know, we're in prime pike spots. But we do catch a lot of bass in this area during open water, so I'm not surprised that we did catch a lot of bass here. It's a really great spot for bass. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you on the next one.